your guide to the incredible natural beauty, exotic ambiance, and tropical splendor of St. Lucia's shores. Hackshaw's boats will take you beyond to an experience both exhilarating and unforgettable. Become one with nature as you witness the fascinating migration of whales and dolphins through the waters of the Caribbean. With our regular tours, we have spotted and identified at least 25 species of these majestic mammals. Your adventure at sea will enable you to experience those wondrous creatures in all the magnificence as they frolic in the sparkling Caribbean waters. Hackshaw's boats also provide activities for the thrill seekers. Our adventure-packed sport fishing excursions have well-integrated environmental conservation and sustainable use practice of which we are justly proud. We boast one of the most experienced big game fishing teams in the Caribbean. A wide variety of fish species swim the deep waters of the Caribbean, a dream for big game fishing. Among the most popular are the blue marlin, sailfish, yellowfin tuna, wahoo, and dorado. Our boats are all diesel-powered and tournament-rigged with the optimum fishing equipment. Both professionals and novices are warmly welcomed aboard, so book a day of sunshine and fishing with us. More than mere adventure, there is also a romantic appeal to the sea in the uniquely beautiful island of St. Lucia, constantly ranked among the world's top honeymoon destinations. We at Hackshaw's Boats offer private cruises, ideal for the more leisurely enjoyment of St. Lucia's breathtaking coastline. Have a relaxing day at sea with friends, family, or that special person. The exciting journey along St. Lucia's western coastline will take you past the quaint fishing villages of Ancillary and Canneries, culminating in the charmingly picturesque and historical rich town of Soufrière. For those who want the memories of that one extra special moment to last forever, a wedding at sea will provide perfection for that wonderful occasion. What better way to tie the knot than to be surrounded by soft ocean breezes, soothing sounds of the ocean, and the distant song of ocean birds? We have everything you need to make your wedding truly magical and ever memorable. So for your ultimate ocean experience, why not choose Hackshaw's boats? Please contact our sales team at 1758-453-0553 or send us an email at hackshawc@candw.lc. Hackshaw's Boats, the ultimate ocean experience.